Hi, I'm Hussein Kachwala and this is Man's Life. I'm here to tell you about all the basic FAQs related to automobiles. So stuff related to your car, bike, driving regulations, safety and any kind of issue that you can solve without the help of a mechanic. So welcome to Man's Life's DIY Auto and let's get going. Having a flat is every driver's nightmare. But let me tell you, changing a flat tire is a very easy and doable job even if you're alone. So the four most important things that you need to have in your boot to change a tire are safety triangle, jack, a wheel spanner and a very good condition spare tire. So to begin with, the most important thing is placing your safety triangle at least 10 meters from your vehicle before starting to change the tire. This is for your safety and your vehicle's safety. So here we are with my flat. I've already placed my safety triangle. So let's get going and let's start loosening the bolts. It's important to know that to loosen the bolts, you need to go anti-clockwise always. You do not remove the bolts, you just loosen them at the moment. So now once you've loosened all the bolts on the car, the next thing to do is place the jack below the car. Do remember, every car will have a different position for the placement of the jack, which you will find in the user manual of the vehicle. So now I've placed my jack in its position and we're going to raise the car by turning the jack clockwise and lifting the tire to a particular position where it's off the ground. So once the tire is lifted, this much gap below the tire is good enough. You do not need to raise the car way too high to change a tire. So once the tire is in the air, we need to remove the rest of the bolts completely. So it's important to give support before removing all the 5 bolts or else the tire might just fall off. So once all the 5 bolts are out, you need to be careful and remove the tire. The next step is putting the spare tire to its position. It's important to place the tire in the center and match the wheel bolts to its original position. So you can manually fit in all the bolts, but always remember to put in the bolts in the opposite cross position. So this is important for your balance of the tire. Instead of holding on to 3 bolts at the top and keeping the bottom loose where the tire might just slide out, it's always important to keep it in a cross position. So once the bolts are on, use the spanner to tighten it clockwise. You can just flush the bolts at the moment and you're good to lower the car from the jack. So once this process is done, you need to make sure there's nothing below the tire or anywhere below the car before you start lowering the jack to get the car on the wheel. So once this process is done, all you got to do is tighten all the bolts. Again, remember, clockwise. Everything goes clockwise. So 5 to 7 minutes, a little dirty hands, that's all it took for me to change the flat tire. I hope this helped. We'll be back with more insights from the world of auto. For more amazing content from the world of lifestyle, entertainment, sport and auto, please follow manslife.in.